Exactly 3 to 4 years ago, my health started to deteriorate in many ways. My sleep schedule got disrupted as I was sleeping very late and waking up late as well. My blood pressure got lower than usual. I began to experience gut issues like acidity and constipation, and I was not able to focus on my studies as well. This not only affected my health but my daily routine as well. But things started to change. When I went through a lot of research paper, I actually got to know the importance of health. And now I put health on top of my priority list. But what actually changed my perspective? That's what I'm gonna share in this video. Hi, I'm Aditi. I'm certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal? Well, it is to make people believe that health should be their topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. Health is not only about physical, mental, or social well being, it is more than that. Health is the balance of our body, mind, and soul. It's a state in which we feel completely energized, our thoughts are clear, and our emotions are very light. When we wake up in the morning, we feel completely refreshed and rejuvenated. We have a purpose to move on in our life, and we can find peace even in the chaos. That's what health is all about. The first question that came in my mind was why health is so crucial when it comes to overall wellness. Well, the answers were very clear. If we are healthy, we can easily perform our daily activities. We can keep our organs like heart, brain, gut, liver, kidneys healthy and away from chronic diseases. If we are active throughout the day, we can increase our life expectancy. In fact, we can reverse the process of aging. We can also strengthen our immune system, which will help our body fighting off infections. And of course, if we are eating healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, we can avoid all the chronic diseases very easily. So, these are the answers that I found to my question. And this proves that health is the backbone of overall wellness. And if we are healthy from inside, then only we can enjoy our life from outside. Isn't that true? Now, imagine your body as a car. If your car is not having enough fuel, the engine is not working properly, you can't control the speed of the car, and all of a sudden the brake fails. What will happen next? Of course, the car will face a severe accident. That's how exactly our body works. If we are not providing our body good nutrition, adequate amount of sleep, if we are not managing our stress and anxiety, and we are not active throughout the day, our body will collapse in the same way. In order to keep our body in good condition, we have to make sure that our body is in the state of homeostasis. Now you must be wondering, what is homeostasis? Let me answer you this question in a very simple way. Homeostasis is the balance of our internal environments that controls our bodily functions, such as regulating body temperature, pH levels, blood sugar level, transfer of oxygen from one cell to another, and many more. So, in order to ensure overall health, we should achieve the state of homeostasis. The second question that came in my mind was how can I get to the state of homeostasis in order to make myself healthy? Let me explain you this with a very short example. Whenever we are building a house, what's that first thing that we mainly focus on? Pillars, right? If the pillars are not healthy, then our house will not last forever. That's exactly the same case with our body as well. In order to keep ourselves healthy, there are 4 different pillars that will keep our body healthy throughout our life. Now, what are those 4 pillars? First is lifestyle. Second is nutrition or diet. Third one is physical activity like exercise, walking, running, swimming, cycling, etc. And the fourth one is emotional well-being. All of these four pillars are interconnected and work together to ensure overall wellness. Now, let's talk about each of these four pillars in more detail. So, let's come to the first one, that is lifestyle. Lifestyle is really important when it comes to our overall health. In order to keep our lifestyle well maintained, we have to follow a very simple traditional way of living, that is circadian rhythm. What is circadian rhythm? Circadian rhythm is just a natural way of living. It includes having 7 to 8 hours of daily sleep at night, managing our stress and anxiety, getting ourselves involved in physical activities, and eating foods that are healthy, good in quality, in the right amount and at the right time. By following these simple lifestyle changes, we can easily keep ourselves healthy and away from diseases. The second pillar is nutrition. Nutrition is a hack that can either maintain our health or disrupt our overall health. If we are not eating healthy foods, then our body will not be able to digest it properly, and that will cause problems, obviously. But on the other hand, if we are eating healthy foods, we can keep our digestive system healthy, we can strengthen our immune system, we can also enhance the functioning of our vital organs like heart, liver, brain, and many more. Now, what healthy foods actually mean? Foods like whole grains, pulses, nuts and seeds, fruits, vegetables, and many more such foods are known as healthy foods. If we are consuming these foods on a daily basis, then only we can keep ourselves healthy. Now comes the third pillar, that is physical activity. Physical activity is not only crucial for our physical health but also for our mental health. Nowadays, a lot of people complicate it by doing vigorous activities for almost 2 hours and then sitting throughout the day. That's not what I actually mean with being active. What I actually mean by this is not being sedentary the whole day. What I actually do is, whenever I'm sitting for a longer period of time, like 6 hours or 7 hours, I get up at every 2 hours of interval and do some stretching, some squats or some sit-ups in order to keep myself away from sedentary lifestyle. And this way, I keep myself active throughout the day and keep myself healthy as well. The last pillar is as equally important as the other pillar, that is emotional well-being. Emotional well-being means keeping ourselves away from all the stress, all the anxiety, and all the things that are giving us tension in our life. And we can do it by practicing a very simple thing that I actually do whenever I feel stressed, is acceptance and letting go. Whenever something happens in my life, I accept it as it is and let go of what has already happened. The other thing that I practice daily is having conversation with my loved ones like family members and friends. And if they are not available at that very moment, then I try journaling. By journaling, my thoughts actually gets clarified and I can easily manage my stress and overall health as well. So let's conclude the video by saying this, that maintaining our body's health should be our responsibility and should be at the top of our priority list. And we can easily achieve this by integrating simple lifestyle changes, a healthy nutrition, daily physical activities, and maintaining our emotional health. Altogether, these 4 pillars can actually enhance our overall health and helps our body in fighting off all the diseases and the bad things from our life. These changes are small, but they are very effective if we follow them on a daily basis with proper consistency and discipline. And these things can actually create big results which can lead you to a healthy life. Time for an amazing fact. Good sleep can boost our immune system and help our body in fighting off infection way better. So, sleep well. I would really be interested in knowing your health journey and what are the changes that you are doing to keep yourself healthy on a daily basis. Do let me know in the comment section how are you managing your overall health. And if you found this video useful for yourself, then do like this video and share this video with your loved ones who are also trying to be health conscious. If you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to be updated. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace out. And remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.